Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add friends on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now go to your friend settings and click here. Here as you see you can search for people, you can add friends, and that's it. That's how to add friends and search for people on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.